Hey guys, this is William with Best Choice Roofing. I'm on Mr. Victor Whitfield's roof. We're going to do a repairability test. As you can see, this is the back slope. We are repairing it right now. There's the damage. So let's get started, you guys. Make sure this. Here is the new shingle right here. As you can see, already tore, trying to unseal it. Now, the reason it's doing that is because the mat transfer, it will not seal properly, replacing this roof. As we know, it is an old roof. I am trying my as most gentle as I possibly can be. As you can see, it is ripping, trying to lift it up. All right, as you can see, I'll take the phone really fast. As you can see from the repair, the nails, they are straight. There's no nail pull through, meaning there's no hole beside it. So let's try to get it from under. As you can see, there is nail pull through now. Just trying to get the nail out, right? As you can see, the nail pull through. And with that being said, now if you try to put the nail in there, and I'll show you guys. Try to put the nail in there. So now, with that being said, if you lift the shingle up, it's gonna come through. There's a hole in it from the nails. We're gonna continue the repair test. More nail pull through, and I'll show you guys as soon as we're done with the repair test. As you can see right here, lifting it up. I'll show you guys. As you can see, lifting it up with the roof snake, right? Didn't touch it at all. Tears. Lifting it up. Boom. Just lifting it up a little bit, it's gonna tear. As you can see, we're going to continue the repair test. There we go. More nail pop through. As you can see, it is tearing, trying to lift up the nails. It is tearing from the roof snake. As you can see, just trying to lift it up, it's gonna tear. trying, because you have to lift it up a little bit to see the nails, right? So. More tearage. All right, there's 2 nails actually right here. Wow, isn't that crazy? All right, got 1 more nail, guys. All right, guys, we're gonna install the new shingle. Here we go. Alright, here's the new shingle, you guys. Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys the damage. As you can see, we got tears right here. Honestly, just lifting up on it, it's going to tear, right? Tear, lifting up on it a little bit, it'll tear. It's not a repairable roof. No matter how gentle you go with it, no matter how you try to put it, it's just simply not repairable, right? So I'll show you another demonstration. Going right here, if you try to unseal it, right? So let's go on unseal. Loosen it up, you look over the nails, boom, right there. There we go. Try and lift it up a little bit, it's just gonna tear. Same thing with this one. Trying to get the nails out, boom, right there, gonna tear. So it is not repairable. Thank you guys.